So I've seen a lot of people wearing these HOKA shoes. I want to see what the hype is about on these shoes. This is the HOKA Clifton 10 running shoes. I finally have a pair. So this model is a trusted trainer for daily maintenance miles. The Clifton has been the keystone of cushioned styles for 10 years and counting, ushering in a new era of plush performance. This next generation update delivers a revitalized underfoot experience with an additional 3mm heel-to-toe drop, delivering the same ultra-light cushioning that made Clifton a fan favorite, with a more fine-tuned fit, and add a breathable jacquard upper with double lace lock to multiple tongue fatigue to mitigate tongue fatigue, featuring reflective material upper details. And this colorway that you're seeing is that hard to find. Trust me, guys. When I first saw this colorway, I was like, this is unique. Featuring that cushioned midsole, transitioning from a green to a blue, where the other ones that you see are just regular, boring, all white or solid color. And this is the, I would say, gray and multi-colorway. The materials are featuring high-grade material featuring reflective upper details and a smooth metal rocker, rear foot focused active foot frame, and CMEVA midsole, also molded EVA sock liner, and the weight of this is 9.80 ounces, and heel to toe drop 8mm compared to the previous models 9 and so on was only 5mm, so you get an extra height built in. What I personally love is the insole. Traditionally, shoes, top name shoes that you see have very cheap sock liners. So if I take this out, you see, first of all, you see that insole, it's got these nudge points, which gives you additional comfort, and it's removable. And when you study the insole, this isn't your typical cheap ones, see? It's molded for contour fit, and it's removable for easy cleaning. Now, normally I wear size 8, 8.5, depending on the brand, but HOKA shoes tend to fit a little bit small, a little bit snug. So this one I opted for a US men's size 9, which equates to a Euro 42 centimeters. HOKA on the tab, on the tongue, insole, got a pull tab, and on the outsole, you got your traditional patterns, see? Very nice grip. Can't wait to test this out. I am super excited to try on my brand new HOKA shoes. Let me tell you a little bit of history behind my interest in the HOKA shoes. I used to make fun of people that wear HOKA because I found it to be a very boring shoe, but there obviously a reason why it's doing well in the industry. So once you have the shoe on feet, you are going to notice that it is super comfortable. So this is a size 9, which is a 42, but it still seems a little bit narrow in the front forward footbed, because HOKAs tend to fit a little bit slimmer. So I would recommend to go with probably a full size up. I would probably prefer a 9.5 in US men's, which would be 43 era. So I wore it to Dynam Wonderland Park and did plenty of walking and visiting the Dynam Zoo, as you can see right here, because it was a hot, humid day. And fortunately, because of the shoe design, high breathability on the Clifton 10, the mesh material, together with that soft foam, which you need to try on the experience for yourself. Let me tell you, it is one of the best bouncy and most comfortable soles I've ever tested. And I've tested plenty of shoes ranging from Nike, Reebok, Puma, Adidas, any brand can name. I would have to give HOKA midsole designs a perfect 10. Now I know the hype behind it, and they definitely stand behind that hype. And I really love the colorway too because it makes it exclusives. The Hokas that I've seen are kind of boring, like all black, or all blue, or all white. But I really love this exclusive colorway where you have the gray with that multi-color midsole. It makes it really stand out. If you guys are lucky enough to find that, definitely pick up this colorway. So I actually ended up walking a total of 9 miles throughout the Dynam Wonderland. And I'm glad I wore these instead of my Nike Pegasus Trail because the bouncy foam really helped my feet stay relaxed. Truly amazing look and feel of the shoes. Now I'm impressed with the HOKA technology, and I definitely would recommend it for anybody who've never worn HOKA shoes before. Wait until you test it out before you judge it. And I actually went to a HOKA store at the Saigon Square Mall, and their new upcoming designs are very nice. I mean, very modern and elegant looking. Overall, I'm very impressed with this. I will give this HOKA Clifton 10, especially in this colorway, an 8.5 out of 10. So, if you are looking for a new brand of shoes that's both comfortable and also elegant and styling, definitely give the HOKA Clifton 10 a try because I am glad I did, and you do the same too.